If you're wondering how to customize your partner program on PartnerStack, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll walk through the steps to tailor your program to your specific needs, ensuring you're maximizing the power of this fantastic platform. Whether you're new to PartnerStack or already familiar with it, I've got you covered. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal how you can get access to this software for free with some exclusive bonuses. PartnerStack is a versatile platform that lets you manage your partner programs, from affiliates to referral programs, all in one place. Customizing your partner program is key to making it work the way you want. Let's dive into how to do that effectively. First, you'll want to log in to your PartnerStack account. From the dashboard, navigate to your partner program settings. You'll find this in the Programs section. This is where all the magic happens, and you can adjust every aspect of your program's appearance, structure, and reward system. When customizing, the first step is to configure your program's branding. Under the Branding section, you can add your company logo, custom colors, and even choose a banner image. This helps you keep your partner program on brand, ensuring consistency across all your marketing materials. Don't forget to update your partner portal's design so it's as appealing as possible. Next, let's talk about partner tiers. PartnerStack allows you to create multiple tiers of partners. This means you can incentivize top-performing partners by offering them additional benefits, exclusive rewards, or higher commissions. You can create new tiers by heading over to the Commission Structure tab and selecting Create Tier. This feature allows you to motivate your partners to reach new heights, helping you grow your program in a sustainable way. Now, let's get into the reward system. Setting up rewards is a crucial step in ensuring your partners are motivated to promote your business. With PartnerStack, you can set up one-time rewards, recurring rewards, or performance-based bonuses. Whether you're rewarding for every sale or giving a recurring commission on subscriptions, the flexibility here is key to driving long-term engagement. You can easily configure these under the Payouts tab in the settings. Also, PartnerStack allows you to set up custom partner types like affiliates or referral partners. This customization ensures you're managing your partners based on how they engage with your business. For example, referral partners might have a different payout structure than affiliates, and with PartnerStack, you can create distinct rules and payouts for each type. To manage your partners, you'll also want to use the reporting tools. PartnerStack's analytics dashboard lets you track performance in real time. From here, you can monitor which partners are driving the most conversions, which are underperforming, and where adjustments need to be made. It's all about data-driven decisions to optimize your program. Finally, once you've set everything up, don't forget to communicate clearly with your partners. Customizing the communications templates, such as welcome emails, newsletters, or reward notifications, is a great way to build stronger relationships with your network. You'll find these settings under the Communications tab. Remember, customizing your partner program on PartnerStack is all about creating a program that fits your business goals and your partner's needs. Now, as promised, you can try PartnerStack for free through the exclusive link below and enjoy an extended free trial with some extra perks. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how easy it is to build a high-performing partner program. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take action on the link below to unlock your free trial.